How to fix Amazon shopping app not working on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are facing the issue of your Amazon shopping app not working, first and foremost try to uninstall the application and reinstall it in your device. After that, if it still does not work, then go ahead and check out for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into mobile data or enable your airplane mode for a couple of minutes, then turn it back off. After which, connect to a better Wi-Fi connection. If the issue still persists, there might be a cache buildup that might be causing such issue. In that case, what you can do is you can tap open your phone settings. Within your phone settings, you can go ahead and locate the option of apps. Tap on the All Apps button. After which you can go ahead and search for Amazon Shopping app or tap on the search icon to search for Amazon Shopping app. You can click on the application and tap on the force stop button and OK. Then move on to storage and cache and tap on clear cache, which will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. And that is how you'll be able to fix your Amazon shopping app not working. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.